another standpoint, Lindy, just tell me a little bit about what you think about my hair bangers and why Sadie would love to wear these hair bangers.
Sure, we love these dummy bangs because Sadie can wear them all year and change her look whenever she wants. With being such a nice blonde color, we are not coloring her hair yet, but she loves to change her look. So this is really fun for holidays, for school events. She can wear her school colors in her hair. Her girlfriends in the summer love to wear these hair bangers to add just punches of color throughout the school year, but especially in the summer. So she's picked her 3 favorites today, and this being her very, very favorite, we're gonna put the peppermint kiss in first. Sadie, will you hold this and I'll section your hair for you? With the Imagine hairbrush, we first combed it, kind of made it nice and full. We're gonna separate this top layer of her bang. The back of these dummy bangs have 2 clips. One goes up, one goes down. So we're gonna open them up. This really helps make sure it doesn't slip. So just come right where we want it to part. I'm putting the down in first. And then we're gonna come up. Does that feel okay? Mm-hmm. All right, then we'll let this go. I'm gonna come to the, well, I'll just reach over. So as we kind of comb her natural hair over it, you can start to see it peek through. So now we get to decide if we want a lot to peek through or just a little bit. So if we just kind of give it a little tap, we'll be able to sort of separate and get some of that pops of color out, which is awesome. So just a little tap of the Imagine hairbrush will just lift a little tiny bit of her natural hair into it and bring some of that hot peppermint red right out on top. We can also change the part of her natural hair to make it come through, but I really want to show that even someone with really fine hair like Sadie's can wear this demi bang without seeing the line in her bangs. Will you turn and show them it? Perfect. Now I'm just going to show how easy it is to unsnap. We're going to reach in here. 1, 2, and it'll slide out. You hold that. And that's Sadie's very, very favorite. Do you want to put one in?
Sure.
Okay, pick another color. And I'll separate I'll section for you really quick and then you can put it in for us, okay? All right. Make sure the snaps are open. Perfect. Good job. Here, you can comb them in nicely. Awesome. And this is pink blow pop that Sadie's trying on, which is just the perfect pink for anybody. All right, will you turn and show them again? It looks great. So these are 2 examples of the demi bang from Imagine Hair.
Thank you so much, and we just really appreciate our volunteers today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to look us up at imaginehair.com.